In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a character in Higgsfield AI. Now, the first thing you want to do here, you want to go to the top and you want to hover over character and click on this one under models, which says Soul ID character. Click on that, and then from here, you can actually create your character. So it says make your own character, and you can then generate infinity selfies in different styles using your own photos. So click on create character over here, and what you're going to have to do is basically upload 20 plus photos for best results. So if you do have like 20 plus photos, you could of course do like the max number. That's going to be the most optimal. But if you can only like 20 or maybe even a bit less than that, of course that's going to work as well. Now, the more images you provide, the better the results, and of course the generations are going to be. So make sure you upload as many as you can, and then here it's going to say like which ones are recommended. Over here, as you can see, photos like this were great, but photos like these where you're basically covering your face, or like it's maybe like not really apparent who's the actual person you want to do, if there's more people in the image, etc., that's not going to work as well. So here, just click on upload images and then go ahead and drop in the images. 20 plus again is ideal. If you can do more, that's even better. Now, whenever you do that, here, let me go back to character tab, you'll be able to see it's going to start generating your character. Now here I just have some characters over here which are here by default, but of course whenever you generate your own, you'll be able to see it's going to pop up down here inside your characters menu. So let's say I now want to generate some images from that with my new character. So here I'm just going to click on the generate button. You want to hover over it, click on generate, and whenever you do this here, you can go ahead and of course do whatever you want. You can select of course the character which is already created right now, and then general here, this is basically where you can select your visual styles. I'm just going to do iPhone because I like that, and then you can do whatever you want. I'm just going to do casual image from vacation. There we go. And then you can go ahead and of course select whichever you want of these. Here you have Higgsfield Soul, you have the face swap, you have Nano Banana Pro. You can use whichever one you want here. But of course, if you want to actually use that specific character, you want to make sure Soul is selected over here, so you can create these, what they call it, ultra realistic fashion visuals. In here, you don't have to select your aspect ratio. I'm going to do portrait 3:4. And then you can select your quality here, and as you can see, you have a bunch of different ones. Usually right now there's only two, so I can do 2K or 1.5K. I'm going to do this one, and then you can select your batch size, and if you want to click in unlimited over here, it's basically going to allow you to create unlimited photos, but it's going to take a bit longer, but it's not going to take your credit. So for example, if I click unlimited here, as you can see, it didn't take any of these, but any of my credits, so it was actually free generation. However, it's going to take a bit longer because usually these generations where you don't click unlimited take like a few seconds, up to like 2-3 minutes maybe, but like sometimes they do take longer, and yeah, so that's basically how you do this, and then you can just wait for this to actually go through. It's going to say in queue and then in progress, and whenever that's done, you'll be able to see your images that you created using your own character. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.